Brace yourselves. Lights off. Lights off. Attention. Lights on. All human. It's showtime. You are experiencing King Roboto. The world's first and only 10 feet tall real robot. I am the real deal.
We can assure you that the other robots that are not King Roboto do not want you to see this video. King Roboto is the leading and the first big live show entertainment since 1974, then copied by body puppet imitators. Nevertheless, King Roboto has stood the test of time to transform and innovate as the most followed robot entertainment on the planet, surpassing all other robot shows worldwide. The world's famous robot, King Roboto, is the official biggest entertainer on the planet. When you see big robot shows, King Roboto either engineered, built them, inspired them since 1974.
Brace yourselves for the 10 feet tall robot, King Roboto.
Okay, everybody, listen up.
King Roboto. King Roboto robots are big business year-round. You can utilize your big robot at corporate events, trade shows, auto shows, festivals, TV work, and many more. Start your big robot show business today.
And now, I need some crowd participation. I need dancers. Attention! If you would like to take photos with me, come closer with your camera or cell phone. Stop! I know you love me, but we must take turns to get a picture. Thank you for watching this video. You have experienced King Roboto, the world's greatest robot show.